Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to send photos in their best quality in WhatsApp on iPhone. So this is my iPhone device, so let's start. So first of all you have to open your WhatsApp. So here is my WhatsApp. Let me tap on this to open it. You can see guys it's opened. So in order to send photos in their best quality, we have to do one setting in media upload quality. So for that, just tap on this settings at the bottom right and then tap on this storage and data. And you can see guys, I have this storage and data, this screen opened. And on this screen, you have to come to this option, media upload quality. And here we have this message also. Let's read that. Choose the quality of media files to be sent. And guys, if you don't find this option, then you need to update your WhatsApp to the latest version. And after updating, you will get this media upload quality. So just tap on this. And I have this media upload quality, this screen opened. And you can see guys, here we have this photos, this section, and here we have three options. Auto, recommended, currently I have this option selected. You can see the check mark next to this option. And second option we have is best quality, and last one is data saver. And also here we have this message, let's read that. Best quality media are larger and can take longer to send. So in order to send photos in their best quality, you have to select this second option, that is best quality. So just tap on this. Let me tap on this. And you can see this option is now selected. You can see the check mark next to this. So it's now done. Now you can start sending photos and they will be in their best quality. So just open your any chat where you want to send photos. So let me show you. Let me go back to my chats screen. Let me open this chat. Okay, so in order to send photos in their best quality, you have to tap on this plus button over here. Let me tap on this and then select this photo and video library. Select your photo. Let me select this. Let me tap on this. Let me select one more photo. Let me tap on this plus button. Or let me select this one. Let me tap on this done button. And after you're done selecting your photos, just tap on this send button. Let me tap on this and they will be in their best quality. So that's it. In this way you can easily send photos in their best quality in WhatsApp on iPhone. So thanks for watching. If you like my videos, please support this channel by subscribing to it. Thanks. Bye bye.